How to hide offensive comments on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will walk you through how to hide your offensive comments on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and go to your profile. Click on those three lines up there and click on setting. Now click on privacy and click on comments. Scroll down and click on turn off hide offensive comments or turn it on. You choose whatever you want. I already turned on this option to hide offensive comments from my post, stories, reels, and live videos. So this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and help us with like.